Business is in many ways like climbing a mountain. You're very excited in the beginning to reach the top, but you find out very soon that it's harder than you thought. When exhaustion sets in, you start to doubt yourself. You hear that inner voice saying, "Who do you think you are to believe that you are ready for it?" Perfectionism makes you wish that you would have prepared more, that you would have studied more or invested in better equipment. But you find guides along the way who show you that you have what it takes to do it. You start to tap into inner resources, energies that you had no idea you had. This is what I want to talk to you about. What if you could use a few simple shamanic techniques to tap into energies that will decrease self-doubt and grow your business faster than ever before? The Shaman Mindset will give you what you need to turn your business dreams into reality. If you're serious about building a business that is meaningful, that is helpful, that is impactful in a positive way in other people's lives, then you will probably want to hear this. You want your business to be a success, but you're probably dealing with inconsistency in income. Your income is going up and down, and you're starting to realize that it has more to do with your energy, with how you feel about yourself, about business, and about life in general than the business strategies that you've paid thousands of dollars to learn. In other words, your level of confidence is directly proportional to your income. And I see this in my clients, I see this in myself as well. When my energy is fluctuating, so is my income. Not instantly, but I see it in the following months. And this is what I do to make business more fun, more manageable, and more sustainable at the end of the day. Maybe your business right now isn't at the level that you know it could be, and you're probably dealing with self-doubt, imposter syndrome, perfectionism, but all of that are different names for one simple thing: fear. And everybody deals with that. I have fears around making this channel a huge success. I think people will criticize me and, call me a scam. I know it sounds crazy, but it's there. So this is my invitation to you. Think of a goal that you have in your business and ask yourself, what am I afraid will happen if this thing comes true? Start to notice your energy. Start to notice your... It's getting chilly. And the wind is talking. Start to notice your energy when you're writing down the fears, and notice how absurd the fears are. In my case, I know I'm not doing this to scam people. I said no to so many clients that had the money to work with me, but because I didn't feel it was a good fit, or I didn't feel that they were yet ready to take the necessary steps, I said no, you know what, let's not do this. Even if I had $300 in my bank account back then. And after you've written down the fears, start to write down the truth. What is the truth? Am I going to scam people when this channel is going to become successful, when it's going to have hundreds of thousands, millions of views? No, that's not on my agenda. That's not something important to me. And this is the truth. What is your truth? What are the fears and what is the truth? And generally, the truth is the exact opposite of the fear that you wrote down. Now, this is the mental. We need to get the mental out of the way before we can speak to the heart. And there's a dormant energy right now in your heart that's waiting to come out, to help you, to serve you, to boost your confidence, to boost your energy, your vibration. And that energy is the dragon energy, the dragon spirit. Do this with me right now. Feel your chest and notice the dragon spirit building up in your chest. Notice your dragon Notice its color. Notice its love. Notice its energy. And notice how happy it is that you've summoned it right now. Breathe in and amplify the dragon energy until you feel its energy in your whole body. Breathe in again and amplify it further until it fills up your energy body all around you. And notice yourself becoming the dragon. Allow your body to adjust to this new energy, to this new vibration. And notice who you are being right now. Notice that you are the dragon. And now notice the look in your eye. Notice your posture. Walk around the room and notice how you move. Say something to yourself and notice how you speak. Allow yourself to live this energy whenever you doubt doubtful, whenever you feel fearful, whenever you feel like what you're doing is just not good enough, it's not perfect enough. Step into this energy and take action from this identity, from this vibration. And you will notice different outcomes starting to show up in your life. Thank the dragon. Give it your love. Give it your energy. Give it your gratitude. And it will give you so much more back. And listen, because in the following days, your dragon will tell you its name, so you may summon it with even more speed, with even more certainty, and with even more confidence. Allow yourself to enjoy this identity, this spirit. You deserve it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found this helpful and fun. If you'd like to learn more about the Warrior Shaman Mindset and how it can serve you and your business, there's a link in the description. And once you start practicing this, you're going to notice more and more spirits talk to you in your life. You're going to notice the trees. You're going to notice the mountains speaking to you and offering you wisdom. And that's exactly what happened to me. The mountains awakened a dormant energy in me that I didn't really fully realize was there. If you're curious to find out what the mountains shared with me, watch this video right here. My feeling is that it will awaken something dormant inside of you too.